As environmental scientists, more and more of the data that we collect is happening thanks to sensors that are deployed in the environment. And in rivers, rivers all around the country and around the world are instrumented to measure how much water is moving through them. This is important for understanding the organisms that live in the river, but understanding river flow is also really important for planning for human uses, for designing roads and bridges and culverts, for planning floodplain development, where people can build, and for understanding how likely floods are to happen in the future. Here in Houghton, when the Father's Day flood happened in 2018 and it washed out the bridge at Paradise Road on the Pilgrim River, it also washed out with it a stream monitoring station that was maintained by the U.S. Geological Survey, and that was part of their nationwide network of stream monitoring sites. And that site was actually slated to be removed anyway because of a lack of funding. Yet the data record there is even more important now for the USGS because we had a big flow where they went out and they actually reconstructed what the high flow was. And understanding high flows makes our future predictions of flood likelihood, flood frequency, and how big floods are likely to be more accurate. So with the USGS, in partnership with them through a cooperative agreement, Michigan Tech has now agreed to fund operation of a gauge at the Pilgrim River on Paradise Road for the next 5 years. That's through the Tech Forward Initiative and Natural Resources, Water, and the Environment. And we're hoping to build a broader coalition of local partners. We already have Copper Country chapter of Trout Unlimited and Portage Township involved in that partnership, and we'd like to be able to make sure that that gauge stays in place for the foreseeable future to help us with our teaching and research at Michigan Tech, and also to help ensure the sustainability of our local community.